Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Keto Cooker with Ron and Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. Well, today is part of what Ron Eats in a Day series. Today we're making a Copycat style English muffin / sausage egg sandwich with cheese. So what we did was we took this bread we made, 90-second keto bread. We took 1.5 tablespoons of butter, melted in a ramekin. We took 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of almond flour, and 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. And I ended up adding about 2 more tablespoons of almond flour because it was kind of like too wet. And this is what the texture looks like. We also did 1 egg in the air fryer as well. We ended up cooking that out for about 3 minutes at 400. We originally had it at 350, but we cranked it up a little bit. So this is the again, this is the 90-second keto bread, and we popped that in the air fryer for about 2 minutes. It got it nice and golden brown, as you can see. Put a little bit of avocado oil on it, and that's our 1 egg. And then we made some sausages. These are from Banquet. They're pre-ready cooked, and this is what the sausage looks like. And let's have a little taste test. They're very, very good. So let's plate our sandwich, and I'll show you how that's done on the overhead camera. Cheese on the bread, and then we'll pop the egg out. We use a knife for that. See, it is cooked. Maybe what we'll do is we'll put the patties first, a couple of patties. And the rest of the patties I'm going to use for a sandwich with snack, or maybe just a snack later. And yeah, so there you have it. We have a nice Copycat style egg McMuffin. So what we'll do is we'll give it a taste test. But yeah, check this out, guys. This is my sandwich. I'm going to use a knife. Just the egg cooked all up on the backside, and 2 sausages, and that kind of reminds you of McDonald's on an egg McMuffin sandwich, and that's the whole idea, guys, huh? Really good. So let me know what you guys think. If you haven't made this before like this, and if you want to make it, just try it, and let me know in your comments below about what's your favorite go-to sandwich in the morning. I mean, it's perfectly fine for keto. Everything is low carb. The sausages might not be the cleanest of sausages, but they're still very good sausages. I mean, this is what they look like right here. And like I said, I cooked on both sides in the air fryer. They got a real good taste to them. I love sausages in the morning for breakfast sausages, and can almost eat them any time of day, really, for a snack. That would make for a great afternoon snack or a late night snack when you're hungry. You just have 1 or 2 of them, that would satisfy me. But I'm going to go ahead and finish my sandwich, and what Ron Eats in a Day series, this is what I have for today for 1 meal. And I'll probably wind up having something else later. I'm thinking about maybe, I got a couple of hamburgers left over from the weekend, so I'll probably wind up just reheating that up and eating them plain with a little bit of butter on them. And that's probably going to be it for today.